This is the Zero Breeze Mark II air conditioner. It's a portable, personal air conditioner. It's got dual exhaust and it's got this adjustable port that sends the cool air out. And I originally bought this because I had read online that it could cool a small cabin. And the first hot day, I guess we had an 84-degree day, and I installed it in the camper and set it up and came back to the camper later on. It was 96 degrees inside, and I was very frustrated. In the past week, we've had a major heat wave come through, and I've discovered a different way to use this that makes it very effective. So the reason I kept it is because it's so well engineered. This is an amazing little product. It's got dual exhaust ports. So air comes in on one side, cools the internals, and it gets spit out on the other side. And then air also comes in the front. It gets cooled by the air conditioning unit, and it gets spit out the front. This isn't a swamp cooler or an evaporative cooler. It doesn't use evaporation to cool the air. It's a real air conditioner. It's got a compressor in it. It's also pretty quiet, and it's extremely well engineered. You listen to it and you can hear they've used high quality components. The lights turn off automatically, so if you're using it at night, it won't keep you awake. And it's just a brilliant product. So how do you use it? Well, it's a personal air conditioner. It's to air condition a person, not a place. And so the way you use it is you direct the vent at the person that you want to cool down. It's not going to cool down a tent, maybe unless the tent is in the shade, and it's a very small tent. It might cool a tent at night, maybe. It only takes a couple minutes to set it up. I cut a piece of Coroplast that fits perfectly in my window, and I just stick the exhaust tubes out the back and plug it in and turn it on, and it's ready to go. In my study, I adjust the output tube so it's pointing right at my chair so that it'll air condition me in my chair. I also used it in the bedroom. In the bedroom, I have to adjust the tube so it's higher, and so it points right on my bed. What I've discovered is if you air condition your feet, you won't stay cool. You need to air condition from about your midsection to your head if you want to get a good night's sleep. So this Zero Breeze, it has to be above, or it has to be high enough that it'll hit that part of your body when you're in your bed. And I have to tell you, I sleep like a rock when this thing is going. It provides this cool breeze. Now, it doesn't air condition the whole bedroom. It's only air conditioning me, and it works incredibly well. The Mark II uses less than 200 watts of energy, so I am going to figure out a way to get it working in my camper. 200 watts is a small enough amount of energy that I can run this thing overnight off my battery. And that's a big deal. So I think what I'm going to do is install some sort of a shelf in the camper so that I can direct the air into the sleeping area of the camper. And during the day, direct the air where I sit in the camper. So I do think this is going to work for me. I think it's a very good product, and I'm glad I bought it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have suggestions or ideas about how to use the Zero Breeze Mark II, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll be interested to check them out.